Hey, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of dull, stained teeth stealing your confidence? Introducing the revolutionary V34 Smilecat Purple Whitening Toothpaste. With its advanced stain removal formula, V34 penetrates deep into the enamel, erasing stubborn stains and revealing a brighter, whiter smile. Unlike ordinary toothpaste, V34 harnesses the power of color correction. Purple, the opposite of yellow on the color wheel, works to neutralize yellowing, leaving your teeth visibly whiter with each use. But that's not all. V34 not only whitens teeth but also cares for your gums, thanks to its gentle yet effective formula. And say goodbye to bad breath. With invigorating mint flavor and menthol, V34 leaves your mouth feeling fresh and your breath cool all day long. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're at home or traveling abroad, don't wait any longer to transform your smile. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tips on dental care. And click the link in the description to buy your V34 Smilecat Purple Whitening Toothpaste today. V34 Smilecat, because your smile deserves the best.